In this video I'm going to show you how to fade out a video in Canva. So log into your Canva account, and I assume you already have an account. So log into your account, and after that we are going to navigate towards video, and here you can choose the dimensions of your design. I will choose a landscape design, so I will select that, and now we have opened a blank design. The next step is to add a video. The next step will be to add a video into our design. You can do that in two ways. You can upload your own video over here under uploads, or you can choose a stock video under elements. For this one I will choose for this video. For this tutorial I will choose a stock video, so I will select the video and add it into my design. Now as you can see, we have added it into our design, but there is no option to fade it in or fade it out. So what we would like to do is basically select the video and then right click on it and make sure you detach the video from the background. Now the next step will be to move this design. Now the next step will be to resize the video to our design dimensions. So resize the video, after that select animate, and here we can do two things. So what you would like to do is scroll a little bit down and then select the fade option. Now as you can see, the animation is on default selected the both options. This will mean it will fade in and it will fade out. But for this video we would like to only fade out this video. So we will select on exit, and by default this speed is selected. But if you have a Canva Pro account or a Canva educational account, you can change this speed by selecting a custom speed. For this video I will show you first how it looks when we just use the default speed. So as you can see, it is now quite slow, and once the video hits the end of the video it will fade out to white. Now to fix out this white fade out, you can add a background. Go to the option over here, then select blank background, and as you can see we have now selected a blank background. Change the duration of this background towards the video duration, and once you have done this we can move the video a little bit to select the background. As you can see we have a white background and we would like to change this to black to create the perfect fade out. Now once we move the video back into its old position, then you will see that we have already changed this fade out into black. The next step will be of course to edit this animation to make it longer or shorter. So select the animate option, then go to exit, make sure this is selected, and if you drag this icon down then it will be slower. So when I click on play for this video, then you will see this fade out will be much slower. To speed this up, you can drag it all the way down over here, and if I replay the video now, then you will see it is a very fast fade out, as you can see. And this is basically how you change the speed of the fade out, and that is how you fade out a video in Canva. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!